It makes me really sad that this is how we treat children. And it's wrong, and it's not the way cancer should be treated.
The parents of a 5-year-old boy taking the fight over their little one's medical care to court following a recent leukemia diagnosis.
Mom and dad say that they don't want the child going through 2+ years of chemo treatments and would rather try natural remedies and medicines.
The fight is playing out on several fronts tonight, from the Children's Hospital in Minneapolis to the Wright County Courthouse and potentially the Minnesota Court of Appeals.
Our Paul Blume spoke to the parents today, and Paul, they're just asking for control over the care of their young son. So what happened here?
Kelsey, Randy, no easy answers for Keaton Peck, his parents, and the medical team. Mom and dad argue current tests show no cancer in the little boy's body. They want to treat his ongoing needs naturally now. Doctors have said, though, a 2+ year chemo regimen is the best way to make sure the leukemia doesn't eventually kill the child. His future care now in the hands of the courts.
Meet little Keaton Peck, dancing here in the blue top and green shorts. He just turned 5 years old and loves playing the role of big brother at home.
He's very, he acts like a dad, like that his little brother is his kid.
His parents now fighting for control over the youngster's medical care after he was diagnosed with leukemia back in December. According to their account, as well as court filings, Keaton initially went through an emergency first round of chemotherapy at Children's Minnesota in Minneapolis after the boy was rushed to the hospital. And while seemingly effective in fighting off the cancer, Mom and Dad were mortified by the impact on Keaton.
It's not your kid anymore. You know, they get puffy, sunken in eyes, dark circles, lose their hair. They just sit there and stare at the wall. They don't play with toys. They don't want to do anything.
McKenna Peck describes herself as a spiritualist who believes the Creator gave human beings the tools to heal their own bodies. So when Keaton's test results came back negative for cancer after that first round of chemo, she and the boy's father made it clear they wanted to care for their child's ongoing needs with natural remedies. The hospital medical team, however, insisted on a 2+ year regimen of chemo to ensure the hard-to-treat and potentially deadly cancer never returns. The case was reported to Wright County Health and Human Services as the Pecks were staying with family in Otsego at the time. The county subsequently went to court to have the parents' custody rights suspended, arguing medical neglect that the chemo was a life-saving necessity.
So the limited case law that exists nationwide involves cases where there is active disease in a child, where in this case, Keaton has not had any signs of active disease since his initial round of chemotherapy.
A judge ultimately agreed with the hospital's medical assessment and the county's concerns, leaving McKenna and Troy Verm in the courts, trying to get their parental rights restored as their child continues to receive cancer treatments at Children's.
I'm confident in myself. I'm not confident in chemo. So that's kind of my whole reason for this is I'm not one to look at side effects and to blow them off.
Children's Minnesota does not comment on specific cases, but wrote in a statement to Fox 9 that the organization remains committed to putting kids first and working with their families to develop effective care plans. Keaton's parents, who are actually raising their family down in Texas, have said they support ongoing testing of the child, and if and when the leukemia returns, as doctors suggest there is a high likelihood it will, reassessing how to best care for the youngster. Paul Blume, Fox 9.